So the track saw is a big help in that case. I know you love them. Do you think a homeowner should actually go out and buy one?
Well, I think they would love it if they have it, but they're pricey. They start at $400 and go up.
Right.
But they don't have to use a track. They can use a straight edge. The straight edge clamps to the door or whatever you want to make, but you have to measure for the offset of the saw, depending on which side of the saw blade you want to cut.
And you have to make that measurement every time you use the straight edge.
Every time, so it's time consuming. Or you can simply make your own track right here with some scrap plywood.
All right.
I ripped a piece down and I glued it on top. I made the bottom piece wider than I needed to. I then take my saw and I put it against the straight edge. So on one side I placed it here and I made my cut.
And that makes the offset perfect to that saw and blade.
Exactly.
Nice.
I do the same thing on the other side. So now I actually have a track that will allow me to cut on either side of the blade.
Boy, that is great. So in this case, you're using your own circular saw and just a couple pieces of plywood, and you've got your own track.
Saving time.
Nice option.